climb inside the 2013 Mazda Mazda2. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Mazda prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, and a split folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Mazda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.